Flip them. She wants to see you doing tricks with them.
Amanda's doing tricks with her bird.
Doing tricks? I'm flicking around when you eat.
You ain't making all the cool sound effects anymore. You
Or
stop.
he's spooked by the light.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. A big birdie, birdie, birdie. You gotta tell me you do that. I'm not the best cameraman.
No flashing.
You should turn your flash off.
No.
Yes.
No. Stop arguing with me. You're not 18. You may be a high school graduate, but you're not 18.
He hops, Mimi. He's pretty close.
Oh, well, hello, another birdie. Hello.
You're actually getting one.
You gotta say hi to like.
Can you sing? Can you go? You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty bird. You're a pretty birds. Oh, I can't get you both. You be a pretty bird?
Getting big.
You be a pretty bird? You want to come here?
Getting big.
Well, come here. You want to come here? Oh, you hopped over my... Come here, I'll rescue you from Amanda. She'd be a mean.
Let Amanda get him to hop up. Neighbor.
Ah!
He is not going to hurt you. He is very well behaved.
No,
Give him a birdie kiss. Give him a birdie kiss.
Yeah, that he might sit on you. Me, Amanda.
Hello. You want to come here? You want to come here? See, by the birdie.
And she likes to clean you. She's a cleaner.
You're you sweetie. You're a very pretty bird. You got such pretty colors. Oh, my daddy would love one of you.
The next bird I'm going to get is a
You pretty bird. Can you
ringneck.
whistle?
They got a blue ringneck.
Can you
baby
whistle?
Blue ringneck in the pet store now.
Can you
And they
whistle?
talk amazingly. They're so pretty when they talk.
Say, I want a cracker. I want a cracker. Birdie want a cracker. Do you want treats? Do you have birdie treats?
Look, she's flipping them again. She's not getting them.
Oh, you gotta come up here to me? The birdies like Paul, I think.
Maybe you can get him to hop. If he hops, he's a trip.
I'm making a video of the birdies. Birdie, 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 bird.
Is that right?
Bird, 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 bird.
Larry.
Larry, 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 Larry. Come here. Come here. Come here. Both of you, come here.
Step up.
Come here, step up. Come here. Oh, well, hello. You're gorgeous, too. You are.
Your phone if you put me too close.
Oh. Larry, Larry, Larry. You pretty bird? You. Oh.
He's looking to jump on your shoulder.
Oh, come here. You
He'll roll down your stomach. He'll roll all around you.
You come up here. You come
He'll
up
play in
here.
your hair.
Hello.
Oh, he likes your glasses. He's probably going to touch your glasses because he's never been... That's not on you. It's on Paul. The camera is me. Now it's on you.
You're a pretty bird.
Oh, that lady's ferocious.
You're a pretty bird.
He's going to poop. No.
Don't put
I got
on
it
He's
all on
taking
camera.
his glasses out. He's
I
never
got it
seen
all on
glasses.
camera.
You looking over this way now? They follow you. I know. They follow you. They do. They follow. Would you like them? You want one of my glasses? Oh, thank you.
Here, Bird, check it out all you want.
You don't like that. It's okay. Here, we're going to there?
No, we don't do any chest runs. We don't need that bad.
You got to get to that.
My beautiful boy. I'm a high school graduate.
Sorry.
And my hubby.